Which nation plans to build an artificial island in its capital city? Denmark. United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration 2021-30 will be led by UNEP jointly with which organization? Food and Agriculture Organization. When will the first solar eclipse of 2021 take place? June 10th. CBSE has collaborated with which tech giant to introduce coding and data science as new subjects in the 2021-22 academic session? Microsoft. The Mission Innovation Clean Tech Exchange has been launched by which country? India. The portal Bal Swaraj has been launched by which organization? National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Which state topped the Anemia Mukt Bharat Index 2020-2021? Madhya Pradesh. Which microanimal came back to life after being frozen for 24,000 years in Siberian permafrost? Rotifers. Who has been elected as a member of the International Swimming Federation Bureau? Rajiv Kumar Vishnoi. Who among the following billionaires is planning to travel to space in July 2021? Jeff Bezos. How much amount has been approved by World Bank to boost the MSME sector in India in the second phase? $500 million. As per CRISIL, what is the estimated GDP growth rate of India in the financial year 2021-2022? .5%. Vishwavir Ahuja has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of which bank by RBI till June 2022? RBL Bank. Who has been elected as the President of the Association of National Exchanges Members of India? K.K. Maheshwari. Abdullah Shahid has been elected as President of the 76th United Nations General Assembly session. He is the Foreign Minister of which nation? Maldives.